If you own a can of WD-40 and you are only using it for squeaky hinges, you are leaving thousands of dollars on the table every year. Today, I am exposing 15 WD-40 tricks that handle jobs. Mechanics charge $200 to $500. And trick number 1 is so controversial, I need to give you a safety warning before I explain it. Let's get into it. Trick 15. Restore your interior. Sticky residue from old stickers, hardened gum, and that mystery gunk living in your cup holders for months. WD-40 handles all of it. Spray a small amount on a microfiber cloth, never directly on surfaces, and gently rub the affected area. The solvent breaks down adhesives, tar, and sticky residue without damaging most interior materials. Wipe down with soapy water afterward to remove any film. This works on dashboard streaks, grimy door panels, and sticker residue on windows. Detailing shops charge $150 or more for interior cleaning. You just handled the toughest part for under $1 worth of product. Trick 14. Unstick a frozen car key. Your key does not turn smoothly in the ignition or door lock. Before you panic about needing a new lock cylinder at $200 or more, try this. Spray a tiny amount of WD-40 directly on the key, not into the lock. Insert and remove the key several times, turning it gently to distribute the lubricant inside the mechanism. Car locks accumulate dust, debris, and old dried lubricant that gums up the pins and tumblers over time. WD-40 breaks through that buildup and gets things moving again. 8 times out of 10, this solves the problem entirely. Locksmiths charge $75 to $150 just to show up. You solved it with 2 seconds of spray. This is especially useful in winter when locks freeze or in coastal areas where salt air corrodes mechanisms faster than you would expect. Trick 13. Make windshield chips less visible. This will not repair a cracked windshield, but it can temporarily improve visibility through minor chips and make them far less distracting while driving. Spray a small amount on the chip, then wipe away the excess. The WD-40 fills tiny imperfections and creates a clearer surface. This buys you time until payday, or until your insurance appointment comes through. It also handles bug splatter and road grime on glass in a pinch. The key is addressing chips quickly before temperature changes, turn them into full cracks requiring complete windshield replacement at several $100s. Trick 12. Hide paint scratches instantly. Light surface scratches making your paint look terrible. Before you drop $500 on professional paint correction, spray a small amount of WD-40 on a clean microfiber cloth and rub the scratch gently in circular motions. The oils fill minor scratches and make them significantly less visible. This is not permanent. You will need to reapply. But for quick touch-ups before selling your car, taking photos, or making your ride look presentable, it works extremely well. Follow up with a coat of wax to make the improvement last longer. This is especially effective on black and dark-colored cars where light scratches stand out the most. Body shops charge hundreds for scratch removal. Deep scratches still need professional help, but swirl marks and surface scratches, WD-40 handles them for pennies. Trick 11. Revive wiper blades. Squeaky, chattering wipers driving you insane. Before you buy new blades at $30 to $60, spray a small amount of WD-40 on a cloth and wipe down the rubber edge. This removes built-up grime, tree sap, and road film that causes blades to skip and squeak. It can extend the life of your wipers by months. If the blades are cracked, torn, or warped, no amount of WD-40 fixes that. But for blades that are dirty or slightly hardened, this saves you $30 to $60 multiple times a year. Auto parts stores love selling you new wipers every few months. This trick makes that a lot less necessary. Trick 10. Free seized spark plugs. Here's the one I warned you about in the intro. Stuck spark plugs are a mechanic's favorite way to turn a simple $20 job into a $200 nightmare. Before removing old plugs, spray WD-40 around the base where the plug threads into the cylinder head. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes to penetrate. This makes removal dramatically easier and reduces the risk of snapping the plug or stripping the threads, both of which lead to expensive extraction or cylinder headwork. Never spray on the electrode or ceramic insulator. Wipe everything clean before installing new plugs. You do not want WD-40 residue entering the combustion chamber. Mechanics already know this trick. They would just rather charge you for the extra labor of dealing with seized plugs than teach you how to prevent the problem. This 2-minute step saves hundreds on high-mileage engines. Trick 9. Make tire sidewalls look new. Spray WD-40 on a cloth and wipe down the sidewalls. It removes brake dust, road grime, and old tire dressing buildup while darkening the rubber to give you that freshly detailed look. This is purely cosmetic and temporary. It does not provide UV protection and washes off after rain. But if you are selling your car or want it to look sharp for photos, the instant transformation from faded gray to rich black is impressive. Never spray on the tire treads. Keep it on the sidewalls only. The last thing you need is slippery tires. Dedicated tire dressings run $10 to $18 a bottle. This gives you the same visual result with a product you already own. Trick 8. Eliminate battery corrosion. Here is the second trick I flagged at the start, and this is the one that saves drivers $500 every winter. Battery terminal corrosion is one of the leading causes of those "my car will not start" emergencies. Disconnect your negative terminal first. Spray WD-40 on the corroded terminals. Let it sit for a few minutes. Scrub with a microfiber cloth. The WD-40 dissolves corrosion and makes removal easy. Once cleaned, reconnect and spray a light coat on top. This creates a moisture barrier that prevents future corrosion from forming. Mechanics and auto parts stores sell specialized battery terminal cleaners for $10 to $15. WD-40 does the exact same job using the same chemistry. Displace moisture and prevent oxidation. Do this twice a year and you will never deal with corrosion-related starting failures again. That is $500 or more saved in emergency jump starts, tow trucks, and unnecessary battery replacements. If you are learning something new, hit that subscribe button right now. The tricks coming up are about to get even more surprising, including one that involves your brakes. You will want to hear it. Trick 7. Restore foggy headlights. Cloudy oxidized headlights reduce nighttime visibility by up to 50%. Shops charge $75 to $150 for restoration. Spray WD-40 on the lens and wipe with a clean cloth. The solvents cut through surface oxidation and grime, restoring clarity immediately. This is temporary. The oxidation returns because the clear coat is damaged. For a permanent fix, you need to sand, polish, and reseal. But for instant improvement, especially if you are selling or need safer night driving right now, WD-40 delivers. Apply a UV protective sealant afterward to make the results last longer. The difference in light output can be dramatic. You will actually see road signs and lane markings you have been missing for months. Trick 6. Stop your door seals from freezing shut. Before winter, spray WD-40 on a cloth and wipe down all rubber door seals. The WD-40 creates a moisture barrier that prevents ice from bonding to the rubber. Your doors will not freeze shut and the seals will not crack from being forced open. This also keeps the rubber flexible and prevents the dry rot that happens with age. Do the trunk seal and hood seal while you are at it. Replacing damaged door seals costs $100 to $300 depending on the vehicle. 5 minutes with WD-40 twice a year prevents that expense entirely. You also stop struggling with frozen doors every cold morning, and your cabin stays quieter because properly maintained seals block wind noise better than dried out rubber. Trick 5. Stop surface rust. Surface rust is cancer for your car. Caught early with WD-40, you can stop it from spreading. Spray directly on surface rust spots. Let it penetrate for 10 to 15 minutes. Scrub with a wire brush or abrasive pad. The WD-40 loosens rust and makes removal much easier. After removing it, spray another coat on the bare metal. This creates a temporary moisture barrier while you plan permanent repair, whether that is touch-up paint, primer, or professional work. WD-40 is the emergency response team, not the reconstruction crew. But catching rust early is everything. A $2 fix today prevents a $500 body shop bill next year. Check your wheel wells, rocker panels, and door edges regularly. Hit any surface rust immediately. Body shops love rust because it is predictable income. Do not give them the satisfaction. Trick 4. Diagnose a squealing belt. Squealing Serpentine belt. Before replacing it for $100 to $200, spray a small amount of WD-40 on the ribbed side of the belt while the engine is running. Be extremely careful around moving parts. The WD-40 cleans off glazing and residue that causes squealing. If the squeal stops, the belt was just dirty. If it continues, you actually need a new belt, or the tensioner is failing. Either way, you just diagnose the problem for free instead of paying a shop $80 to tell you the same thing. Some shops immediately recommend replacement without checking if the belt is just dirty. This trick tells you whether you need that replacement now or can get a few more months out of it. Trick 3. Free-stuck fuel doors. Spray WD-40 on fuel door hinges and the latch mechanism. Open and close several times to work the lubricant in. This dissolves gunk, road salt, and corrosion that cause sticking. Do the same on your hood latch and trunk latch. A seized fuel door can break if you force it, requiring replacement of the entire fuel door assembly at $200 or more. 30 seconds of preventive WD-40 twice a year prevents that and saves you from the embarrassment of struggling at the gas station while everyone watches. Trick 2. Fix sticky seatbelt retractors. A seatbelt that does not retract properly will not protect you correctly in a crash. Fully extend the belt. Wipe down the entire length of the webbing with a cloth lightly dampened with WD-40. Let it retract and extend a few more times. For the retractor mechanism itself, spray a tiny amount into the housing where the belt enters the B-pillar. This lubricates the spring and restores smooth retraction. Do not oversaturate the webbing. Too much WD-40 makes the belt slippery and affects how it grips during a collision. A light coating is all you need. Seatbelt retractor replacement costs $150 to $300. This 2-minute fix keeps your most important safety device working properly. Trick 1. Prevent brake rotor rust. Here is the controversial one I promised. Before you react, hear me out completely. This is not about spraying your braking surface. That would be insane and dangerous. This is about the non-friction surfaces of your rotors, the outer edge, the center hub, and the area around the wheel studs. These areas rust easily, especially in winter climates with road salt. That rust is unsightly and can eventually cause rotor thickness variation that affects braking performance. Spray WD-40 on these non-friction areas only to create a moisture barrier that prevents rust formation. The critical rule: never spray WD-40 on the actual braking surface where your pads contact the rotor. The braking surface must remain completely clean and oil-free. Only the outer rim, center hub, and wheel stud area get the treatment. This is especially useful after installing new rotors. Hit the non-friction areas before mounting the wheels, and you prevent that ugly surface rust that makes new rotors look old within a week. Done correctly, this keeps your brake components looking showroom fresh and prevents rust buildup that can interfere with proper wheel mounting. Done wrong, it is genuinely dangerous. Now you know the difference. Those are 15 WD-40 tricks that handle jobs mechanics and detailers charge hundreds for. A single $6 can cover every trick on this list multiple times over. The car care industry counts on you not knowing any of this. Now you do. Hey, if this saved you money, hit subscribe so you never miss what is coming next. And watch this video right now because I am breaking down genius car hacks mechanics do not want you to know, including ones that use products even cheaper than WD-40.